Hello everyone, welcome to the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. In the previous video we have deleted the messages from database and now we are going to start a new feature which is analytics. We are going to add analytics feature within our application. The actual requirement of this feature is that we need to monitor how much users are using our application and which section of application the users are more using. So we are going to add tracker for this analytic purpose. We will add tracker in the action tutorial. So whenever the user will click on any post, the tutorial action will be executed, and within this we will add a tracker which will update our database day by day and second by second to store the information that which user is coming from which demographic location and which data is accessing. So we will go into the post controller and search for this. Here you can see we have a post controller. Oops, it is executing something else. Okay, this is the post controller. Let me pin it. Whenever someone will hit any post, the request goes to this tutorial action result, and we will add a tracker here which will be update information upon the successful response. So whenever the page is loaded, a trigger is happen in the database to update the information that this specific post have this quantity of views. Not only this, we will create a graph which will represent day by day stats of views according to the post, so we can get a clear big image that which article is on the top and which article is on the bottom and what user is actually searching for. I hope this video is informative. If you have any kind of question, you can ask us, and don't forget to subscribe the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. Take care, bye bye, have fun.